Hi Yogis! In today's practice, we'll enjoy playful stretches and relaxing breaths to help your body feel powerful, happy, and peaceful. Roll out your mat, take a big deep breath, and let's begin our yoga time.
Start with the easy one. Lie down on your back and bring your knees close to your chest. Wrap your arms around your legs and give yourself a big hug. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Next, you sit down and bring the bottoms of your feet together. Hold your feet and gently flap your knees like butterfly wings. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. Now next is forward bend. Let your hands reach toward the floor. Relax your head and neck. Take a slow, peaceful breath. To make yourself stronger, like tiger, lift one leg up behind you and hold your foot with your hand. Balance like a strong tiger. Take a calm breath and hold steady. You are doing great. Let's do telephone pose. Stand tall and lift one foot behind you. Hold your foot with one hand. Now bring your other hand to your ear, like you're talking on a phone. Ready for next yoga pose? Reach your arms up to the sky. Now, gently bend your body to the side. Feel the stretch along your body. Take a big breath in and out. And out. Now next you, sit down and place your hands behind you. Lift your body up toward the sky. Keep your legs straight and strong. Hold the pose and breathe slowly. Very good, little yogis. Let's stand on one leg and wrap the other leg around. Cross your arms in front of you. Stay steady and breathe slowly. Let's do a cat pose. Come onto your hands and knees. Look up and let your belly drop down like a happy cat. Now round your back like a stretching cat.
Breathe in and out.
Next, you stand with your feet wide apart and slowly squat down. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Keep your back tall and strong. Take a deep breath and hold your balance. You are almost done, little yogis. Let's do a hello pose. Stretch one leg out. Place one hand on the ground and lift your other arm up high. Reach up to the sky and feel the stretch. Take a big breath in and breathe out slowly.